Are you editing your videos in Final Cut Pro? Got this particular error which you are not able to troubleshoot. You have searched in Google, you have tried each and everything. Hello friends, welcome back to Dig with Geek. My name is Kapil and today I'm going to show you how to fix this silly error that won't go away. You must have tried each and everything, then you reached to this video. So let me show you how easily you can actually fix this error. See, this error actually happens because there is a corrupted frame in your timeline. Now, since it's giving the frame number, a lot of people might have suggested you, or even Google searches might have suggested you, that divide this particular frame number with your FPS. Suppose my video was shot at 50 FPS, so I divided it by 50 and then again further divided by 60 so that you can get the exact timeline in minutes, right? I already tried that, but it won't give me that exact frame number. I even tried to scroll here and there, but I could not find that blank or glitchy frame. So how to solve it? The solution is very simple. Okay, let me get to the point and show you a quick fix for it. Just open your Final Cut Pro, go to the menu. Now over there, go to Preferences. Right? Over there, click on General. Now over there in the timeline, change it from time to frames. The drop down menu over there, change it to frames. Okay, come out from here. Now see your timeline. Now instead of showing it in minutes and seconds, what is it showing you? It is showing you the frame numbers. Now since in my case it was 32104, the glitchy or the error or the frame with error or the corrupted part was on the frame number 32104. So all I did was I deleted 4 frames from it. 32102 I got over there and issued the command B to put a break over there, and then I went to 32106 and I issued another command B over there. So it covers 4 frames, and before doing that, just make sure to check out that it actually has that glitchy frame, because in my case it was that blank black frame over there that shows that it's corrupted. So all I did is I deleted just 4 frames from this video clip, 32102 to up to 32106. So in your case, wherever it's giving this error, just delete that part, and like deleting a few frames usually does not matter. And if it's something like if it is affecting you, all you can do is use a B-roll. So just do your magic. But that's how you can get rid of it. Just delete that part and now try to export. So, did you try it? So that's simple. The export will be successful unless and until there is another corrupted frame. If it is there, you need to repeat the same process. So that's how easy it is. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to click the like button and do click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment. Let me know in comment what kind of video you want to see. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.